you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange.
Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally going to be sharing my fall clean and decorate with me. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but I'm just somebody who I'm not ready to put pumpkins out in August. It is still summer for me in August and my kids haven't even started school yet, so I just kind of felt like, you know, it wasn't really time to put out some fall decor, but now that it is September, the weather is getting cooler outside, I am in the mood to finally decorate my house for fall. So I'm very excited to share this. I also have a little bit of news that I'm going to be sharing with you guys here in just a minute as well. But of course, before we get started with the decorating, I always have to go in and clean everything down. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot decorate in a dirty area. I just feel like it's kind of counterproductive. So before I decorate any space in my house, I will just take a few minutes to wipe everything down and get everything cleaned up. That way I have a nice, fresh, clean space to work with. My house today wasn't really all that messy, it just needed a good wipe down. I purposely waited until I didn't have a ton of mess to clean because I just didn't want this entire video to be cleaning. I really wanted to focus on the decorating portion. So I am starting out in the kitchen, wiping down all of the counters, clearing off some decor that maybe I'm not going to be keeping in here whenever I put my fall decor in, and just getting everything wiped down. Now, I wanted to share some news with you guys. If you do not follow me on Instagram, then you might have missed this, and if you didn't see my community post, but my husband and I are actually expecting our third baby, and we are so excited to be expanding and growing our family. Our kids are so excited as well. They both want a little sister, and we are just feeling very blessed and lucky to be able to do this, and I'm so excited to share all the content with you guys. I have a ton of organization projects coming your way as I get further along in my pregnancy. We do have a 3-bedroom home, so there's going to be a lot of room switching and trying to figure out where to put the baby for the first few months and just getting everything organized. So I'm so excited to share that content with you guys. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that news with you in case you guys are maybe new around here or you haven't heard the news yet, and we are just very excited.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
Now that the kitchen is all picked up, it is time to start decorating in here, and I picked up these rust-colored mugs from Target. It is the Hearth and Hand collection. I thought that they were perfect and really pretty and went with the blue ones that I already had, and I don't know, I just felt like the colors were perfect for fall. I actually had a really hard time decorating this year. I recently went to more of like a minimalist type of decorating in my home, and I honestly didn't really have a ton of decorations in my house at all. So seeing all of the color and the clutter almost kind of stressed me out, and I almost didn't know how to decorate anymore because it had been so long. And even now when I'm doing these voiceovers, I feel like I'm still trying to get used to looking at everything. My house feels a little bit claustrophobic, but I think it's just because my home was so bare and I just was not used to seeing decor anymore. But overall, I do love how everything turned out. I kind of went for more of like a moody, cozy vibe this year and did some more warm colors, and I do really love it. I feel like it is so cozy, especially against all of the white and gray and beige that I have in my home. I just feel like it makes the house feel more homey. I wanted to ask you guys how you're decorating your home, and if you don't decorate for fall, that's totally fine. I know some people like to go straight to Halloween, and I will be decorating my kitchen for Halloween, so definitely stay tuned for that video. That will go up on October 1st or around that week, whatever that Monday is. But I'm excited for Halloween. But anyway, I wanted to ask you what kind of vibe you're going for in your home. Are you doing cozy and moody, or light and airy, or buffalo check? Do you like traditional colors, or do you like more muted neutral colors? I'm definitely a traditional colors person, but I do like them to be more muted, as you guys can kind of see with the decor that I'm putting out. But I love to hear how everyone else is decorating and what type of style that they are loving in their home for fall.
Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
Now, I am going to move into the living room, and I actually picked back up the morning after I decorated the kitchen. I just didn't have time to get to it. Life happens. Sometimes things don't always go to plan. So I am just starting out the next morning getting this room tackled. I had a little bit of deep cleaning to do. I wanted to wipe down the blinds, and the fan was really dusty as well, as you guys saw in that clip. Now, recently on my channel, I started a whole house deep cleaning series, and I was able to do the entire upstairs, but I never got to the downstairs portion of that series because I got pregnant, and my first trimester was really hard on me. It was definitely the worst of all 3 of my pregnancies. And I had a really hard time. I was very sick. I was very unmotivated and tired, but I am feeling much better. I have more energy these days, so I'm starting to get back into my deep cleaning. Now, I'm not going to be picking back up that series because I don't know, it's just been so long now, but I did need to do some deep cleaning in this room today, so I'm going to be doing all of that, and then I'm also going to be washing our carpet because that needed to be done. They were really dirty, lots of stains, and just something that I've been putting off for months and months.
You were meant to be with me. Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Falling out, we have reached disaster.
I'm also going to go ahead and vacuum down my couch. With dusting that fan, everything kind of fell down. And then I also have 2 young kids. I have a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old, and they like to eat their snacks on the couch sometimes, so I do have to vacuum down my couch several times a day, and it's just one of those chores that are constant in my house. So I wanted to get that vacuumed down. I wanted to spray some fabric spray on here just to make everything smelling fresh and clean. And then I will be moving the couch so that I can tackle the carpet, get that all vacuumed down. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of spray to get some of those stains out of the rug. And then I will be washing it.
Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again.
I wanted to ask you guys in the comments. I always love to hear your responses and just talk with you guys down in my comment section. But I wanted to ask you, how many of you decorate before September 1st and how many like to decorate after? You guys know I mentioned I'm definitely a September person, and I know with YouTube everybody gets them out so early, and I feel like it just gets earlier and earlier. I feel like we're gonna start decorating for fall in like July next year. I just feel like it gets earlier every single year because everybody wants to be that first person to have their fall decorating video out, but I just can't do it. I cannot decorate in August. And if you like to decorate early, more power to you. Do what you want, do what you love, do what brings you joy. I'm just not somebody that likes to look at pumpkins when it's 100 degrees outside and when it's still summer for my family. So I wanted to ask you, are you somebody that likes to decorate early, or are you somebody that likes to wait until September, even after Labor Day? Whatever it is, I want to know about it, and let me know in the comments. I know these shampooing clips are a little bit slow, but believe it or not, this is sped up to 20 times, which is almost the highest you can go in iMovie. I'm sure it can go higher, but with the options that they have, 20 times is the highest. So I always try to speed up these clips as fast as I can, but sometimes they are just slow because whenever I am shampooing carpets, I do work very slow. I want to make sure all of that dirt and grime and crumbs and whatever else is in the rug is out of there. And you can even kind of see on my carpet there is a lot of discoloration, a lot of brown spots and a lot of white spots, and even just doing this did not do the job the way that I hoped that it would. So if you have any recommendations on how to whiten a carpet, that would be amazing because I honestly have no idea, but I want to get this carpet looking bright and white again.
I pretend I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you.
Now it's time to decorate my living room, and I kind of knew exactly what I wanted to do in here, especially on this top shelf here. I already had my vision, and so it just made decorating this space really easy. Now I did have a harder time decorating the other shelves. Again, I just feel like decorating does not come naturally to me, and now that I have a more minimal home and I don't have a lot of home decor out without the seasons, it just makes it really hard to decorate. I already know I'm gonna have one heck of a time whenever I go to decorate for Christmas. Just even the thought of decorating for Christmas stresses me out because I just have no idea. And I know it's still really early, and hopefully I can just go on Pinterest and get some inspiration, but I always struggle with Christmas. I definitely prefer fall decor more than I do Christmas. Christmas can just be very overwhelming with the reds and the greens, and then of course the Christmas tree just takes up a lot of space in my home, so I don't know, I'm definitely somebody who feels claustrophobic whenever I have a lot of stuff in my house, so Christmas stresses me out that way, and I don't know, I'm just honestly not really looking forward to decorating, but I am very excited for Christmas this year with my kids, and I get to be super pregnant during the holidays, which I've never been pregnant during the holidays, and I'm just so excited to be able to do that and experience that pregnant, so that will be fun.
I want your body. I want your body. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I want your body. You know I want your body.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for today's fall clean and decorate with me. This will be the only one that I put up on my channel. I'm not doing like a part 2 or anything like that. I will not be decorating bedrooms. This is as far as my fall decorating goes for this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration for your home and you leave my channel feeling motivated and inspired, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching.
You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.